Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 2nd April 2025. In this video, let us evaluate the performance of high liquidity zones generated in the previous end of the day report. Even before that, all of you please note we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. You might be knowing it is a highly expensive training course. But we are providing complete free training and all the training lessons are already available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. To access the training videos from our NeoStock YouTube channel homepage, click on the tab Posts. Some of you might be seeing the tab Community in place of Posts. In that case, click on that Community tab. Then you get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on the link. Now we are into supply demand zone price action course YouTube playlist. I kept all the training lessons in this playlist. You have over 88 training video lessons are available. You need to start your training lesson from lesson 1.1 that is available at the bottom of the page. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are placed in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one, but according to my training instructions. I provided all the training instructions at our Telegram channel. You can find the link to our Telegram channel in this video description. So from the video description, join at our Telegram channel. At the Telegram channel top of the window, you can find pinned messages. Go to the pinned messages and one of the messages are having all the training instructions. And learn this course according to those training instructions. Then you will become a very good independent trader in the coming months. So please make use of this opportunity. Now let's get into the performance of the HLQ zones identified by our software in our yesterday end of the day report. Yesterday our software identified 11 high liquidity zones from daily and 75 minutes time frame. Out of 11 today we got 3 stocks, 3 trades and 1 is successful and 2 are stopped out. Let us focus on them first. And first one is Hindustan Unilever, HEL. This is a daily high liquidity zone. And our software identified this zone as a rally, base, rally. This is a rally candle with hidden body. And this daily zone is fine-tuned with 75 minutes time frame. Here you have a 75-minute zone. Drop 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and a rally candle. And within this 75-minute zone, again fine-tuned with 15 minutes time frame. And within the 15 minutes time frame, you have a drop, base, and a rally. This is a failed ERC candle. As in a dynamic view, it is a rally candle. And within this 15 minute zone, go to the 5 minutes. 5 minute structure is not good. See here you have a drop candle, you have a rally candle, in between no base candles, but from where it picked up the orders, many situations when you have such kind of candles, you might be having a lower time frame zone horizon, many times. You already learned in lesson 22. See, we've been seeing for the last 6 months, our lesson 22 concepts are giving us huge profits, very good profits. Yesterday we have seen, day before yesterday we have seen, continuously we have seen this last month. Even today also. See here you have a 5 minute zone. You have a rally candle, 2 base candles and a rally candle. And this is the area it picked up and here also almost came and moved up. And the last time it picked up the orders from this zone and again moved up. And this entire daily zone is created by picking the orders from this 5 minute zone. And today exactly the lower time frame zone horizon, the prices entered and reached up to the 15 minutes target. Go to the 15 minutes time frame. Here you have a rally base drop. Okay, but when you got the trade, is it morning 9:15 1 minute candle? No. It is at 9:17 candle. You got the trade. So this is the morning 9:17 candle. After that, sharply the price has moved up and finally reached. Maybe I know most of you might have exited a little before here, but here perfectly it reached the target. Okay, this is performance point of view. Some of you might have exited earlier itself depending on your strategies or your other approaches, trade approaches. But this is the maximum opportunity it has given till 15 minutes target. It reached today. And what is the profit it has given? And Hindustan Unilever has given you 12,825 rupees profit as per one futures margin cost. And its ROI is 10.7% based on one futures margin cost. Okay, this is about Hindustan Unilever. The next one, you have two stopped out trades. Second one is a Union Bank. This is a daily high liquidity supply zone. This is the daily zone. Actually, previously we got a trade from this zone. Union Bank, we got a trade. Previously we have drawn this blue color line. If prices reach, then only we get a within 2% risk management trade that we got, I think last Friday we got. We might have registered it in our Excel sheet. Yes. See here, Union Bank on 28th March, Friday, we got a short trade. Gave you 5.3% ROI. Because it is a tested zone, you can't plan a trade. But Friday, you know what happened? Friday when market is moving down, it created a new 15-minute zone inside the 75. Previously, we have fine-tuned this 75-minute zone. Rally-based drop. So inside this we have a 15-minute zone, this rally-based drop that is having a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. That zone we already got a trade. So you can't plan a trade in this zone because it is a tested zone. You can plan only if it is a high liquidity zone. Otherwise you can't plan. But Friday what happened after we got the test when prices are moving down? You see here again a rally-based drop is created within the 75-minute zone. Maybe it will give you trade opportunities maybe on the same day or maybe in the coming days. Today, prices entered into this zone. This rally-based drop, 15-minute zone. This 15-minute zone, again, we fine-tuned with this 5-minute zone. See here, rally-based drop. And this rally-based drop is stopped out today and came down. So we have to accept this loss. So how much it has given? 2080 rupees loss, which is minus 1.5% negative ROI as per one futures margin cost. Actually, generally, what I do, I look for after each zone, I will look for any LTF zones are available, lower time frame zone horizons. Here a candle, see here, drop, base, drop. If you draw a zone like this, price is entered, but it is slightly pierced, but it is within stop buffer. After that, it gave you 1:3 RR. But the only reason I didn't consider it is I am not convinced with this structure. Okay, this is a base candle, no doubt in that, but this is the leg out candle, I am not convinced. Because almost the closing of this candle is almost close to inside the zone. Not inside, a little outside, but that is not good enough. A good body should come out of the zone. Then only we consider, at least a minimum body should come out of the zone. Leg out should not close at the zone or inside the zone. So because I am not happy with this, so I just left this lower time frame zone. But actually what happened, from here only it picked up the orders and again prices came down. Gave you 1:3 RR. But anyway, see, after market we will think, okay, maybe we would have drawn the zone, maybe we would have taken a trade in this horizon, maybe we would have got successful, maybe I would have got 1:3 RR. These kind of things we will realize after the market. But while doing the analysis, whether you are convinced or not, that is important. I'm not convinced because I'm not comfortable with this leg out. If it is a 15-minute zone or 75-minute zone, I might have compromised and drawn the zone. But 5 minutes level, we should not compromise. Maybe this time it looks like it worked, but many times such kind of zone easily violate. Zone structure, 5-minute structure should be good. Because that is the institutional order flow. If the structure is not good, how do we say that is having an order flow? Maybe it is worked, maybe there could be other reasons. Maybe rally base drop, that way they created and pushed a new supply might have been added. Maybe because of that reason, prices would have come down. So that's why I consider this as a stopped out trade. So this is Union Bank. What is the next one stopped out? Deepak Nitrate. This is a 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone. This is what software identified. This is a failed ERC drop, base drop. And it is having 15-minute zone, drop, base, drop. And this is having a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. Again, drop, base, drop. And this is the one violated today. So easily violated today. Maybe you might be asking what could be the reason. Maybe institutions cancelled this order flow. That is the only thing we can tell. Maybe one reason I am guessing, this stock has been removing from F&O list from June onwards. Only this month and next month only F&O data is available. It is listed in this month and next month. This month means April and May. April, May, July F&O is not there in the data. That means the stock is getting removed from F&O. Maybe that is the reason why maybe institutions might be losing their interest or might have cancelled the order flow. We don't know. There could be 100 reasons that we are not aware. The only thing we know, if a zone is easily violated, there are only 2 reasons according to our terminology. Reason number 1, institutions might have cancelled the order flow. Reason number 2, maybe demand is much higher than the supply. That's it. We can't look for any other reasons, being a supply demand zone trader. Okay, how much loss it has given? Small loss, 900 rupees. This is 0.7% negative ROI it has given, Deepak Nitrate. So these are the 2 failed out and 1 successful is Hindustan Unilever. Remaining we didn't get any trade opportunities. Let us quickly look into one by one. This is a Fin Nifty. We have a rally base rally. When I fine tuned at 75 minutes time frame, here we have 2 zones. We have a drop, 2 base candles and rally base rally. 75 minutes. Go to the 15 minutes time frame. The 15 minutes time frame, actually I am not really convinced with this structure, but still I have drawn. Because when I hide these candles, somewhat I have doubt, but anyway I have drawn. Sometimes we can compromise and draw. If 5-minute structure is good, okay, we will accept, otherwise we will leave this. And what about here? Here you have a drop candle, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a narrow range. Actually 5th one imbalance started from here, but okay, this is also part of the zone. And then rally, follow through candles. So this is the 15-minute zone. And now I fine-tuned with 5 minutes time frame. Now you see the first one. There is no proper fine-tuned structure. What is that you are seeing? If you hide this gap, you will get better clarity. This is a drop, base, drop. Drop, base, drop. That means a drop candle, next one a high explosive, rally candle, in between no base candles. Many times such kind of zones will be violated. Many times you may find some order flows, lower time frame origin also. Here lower time frame origin also not clear. No proper legouts here. So that's why I didn't draw anything here. Maybe 1 minute level might be there. I think I have seen 1 minute also. I'm not comfortable with this area. So left this. And what about here? Here also legout structures are not good. Maybe you may feel there is a rally 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and rally. If you convince with this, if that is the case, this is the one picked up the orders from this zone, drop, base, rally. See, it already tested, again tested. And also this 5-minute zone is the origin for this 15-minute zone. Maybe this is the area you should plan your trades. Risk management, maybe you go to type 2 proximal. If you go to type 2 proximal, it looks like it is not horizon, right? But actually horizon you have to draw wick to wick. It is an horizon. Risk management point of view, you can take a trade at type 2, you can take a trade at type 3, or maybe inside maybe you can fine tune the entry and plan your risk management level. That is up to you. But this is the horizon for this 15-minute zone. So here probably you have real order flow will be there. But anyway, today we did not get any trade opportunities here. See how we are depending on lesson 22 concept, lower time frame zone, horizon. Every time if you think in that direction, you are getting a lot of trade opportunities, and many are successful opportunities. Failure rate is, we have seen so far very less for lesson 22. Failure rate is there, but very less. It's more than 80% success rate we are seeing. Okay, next one is HDFC Bank. This is also a daily high liquidity demand zone. This is the old one. This is the recent one created. This one again hidden body. This is a rally, base rally with hidden body rally. And this one fine tuned with 75 minutes time frame. Here we have a 75-minute zone. See how tricky the zone is. Observe carefully. You may think where is the leg out here? Hidden zone. This is the hidden zone. See, this is a rally candle. You have 3 base candles. See, from the previous candle low, you're getting a hidden body. You're getting a rally, big rally candle here. You're getting a lot of body here. Rally, 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 rally. Finally, it closed on some more wick. So that way I consider this is the leg out. This candle is the leg out. Okay. So this is the 75-minute zone. From here to here, this entire area. Now within the 75-minute zone, I have drawn the 15-minute zone. But 15 minutes, see the tricky here. How tricky the 15 minutes. Here I am not convinced with this structure here. Many people may draw base, rally, that way you may draw. But I am not convinced with this. So many base candles here. That's why I have considered this is the rally, base rally. This is the 15-minute zone. This 15-minute zone is the horizon for this entire 75 minutes fine-tuned zone. So probably your real order flow is in this area. But 15 minutes is not good enough for us, right? We need to fine-tune with 5 minutes time frame. So go to the 5 minutes time frame. So inside the 5 minutes time frame, we have an excellent 5-minute zone here. You have a rally in a narrow range, these 2 candles, and a rally candle. And then further moved up, moved up, moved up. So this is the area, it picked up the orders. And then price moved. If you want to draw a zone here, drop base rally. The drop base rally is the LOTL zone to this horizon, 5 minutes horizon. So again, new order flows are added into this horizon. So that's why definitely we can plan a trade next time. But today price did not enter into the zone. So we didn't get any trade opportunity. Hindustan Unilever, we already got a trade, we discussed. And IRFC already I explained this analysis in the previous videos. Please refer the old videos. We have already discussed. Whatever I have drawn earlier, same thing is only there. But the prices haven't entered into this zone. Next one is power grid. Power grid also we discussed earlier. No. Okay, anyway. Power grid, it is a rally, 2 base candles and rally. And this demand zone is fine-tuned with. Today prices entered, but we didn't get the trade. They didn't reach up to fine-tuned area. Here we have a rally, 4 base candles rally. And here again you have a rally, 2 base candles and rally. You have 2 75-minute zone. See, rally, 4 base candles rally. Here rally, 2 base candles and rally. Here it is a very tricky analysis. All of you listen carefully. This is only such kind of experience you have to build. So when I go to 15 minutes, 15 minutes, here I identified a rally candle. See, at the hidden body, it is a rally, 2 base candles and a rally candle. This 15-minute zone is the horizon for this entire 75-minute zone. I'm not happy with the 75-minute structures here. That's why 15 minutes horizon I have considered. This 15 minutes horizon is the, and also this 15 minutes horizon is overlapped with this particular 75-minute zone. See, at the proximal line, it is overlapped. A rally, two base candles rally. So it is like a bridge between, this 15-minute zone is the bridge between this 75-minute zone and this 75-minute zone. Not only that, this 75-minute zone, again at the distal line, it is also having a drop base rally. This drop base rally. From this it picked up the orders and then again more started. Okay, now let's go to the 5 minutes. 5 minutes again, another interesting. 5 minutes in this area, excellent zone is created. Drop base rally and follow through candles here. Where this 15-minute zone. This 15-minute zone area, a new order flow is created. So this is not the origin. Origin is here. Within the 15 minutes origin, there is a fine-tuned zone. Drop base rally. This fine-tuned zone is not exactly origin to this zone. It's not the origin. But this 5-minute zone again fine-tuned at the within the bottom zone. But this 15-minute zone is the origin for this 75. That way, this fine-tuned zone, 5-minute zone, is having a strong institutional order flow. See here, some pro gap is also there. So that means you have this order flow, recently created order flow, before prices are moving out of the zone. And this is inside the zone, a new order flow. And here you have rally, base, rally. This is the origin. This 15 minutes is the origin for this 75. And this 15 minutes origin is having a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. That is also origin for this 75-minute zone. That means this origin also we can plan the trade. It is not a tested zone. We should not consider. Because it is the origin. The origin, the leg out formation is started. When leg out formation starts, what happens in the origin? New order flow will be added here. That's why always we get success next trades. Majority of the times. Because when they want to create a big move here, they add a huge order flow here. That's why lesson 22 is a powerful concept. So this is how I analyze it, power grid. But at least this will give you some good experience when you listen this particular zone, how I am analyzing. Next one is Sriram Finance. Sriram Finance is also a daily high liquidity zone. How our software identified this? Our software identified this as a drop, base, with a hidden body rally and follow through candles. Drop base rally. And this daily zone is fine tuned with 75 minutes time frame. In the 75 minutes time frame, here I identified a drop base rally. Drop base rally I have drawn. Actually, here also you can draw 175. I looked in the 15 minutes. Strictly speaking, this is also valid. A drawing a 75-minute zone. This is a failed ERC candle. Failed ERC, it is okay. Can consider as a rally or drop. That is what I am thinking. Okay, fine. Having some sufficient body to consider maybe. Rally, base, rally. If it is a drop, you have to draw zone like this. That is what I am thinking. Sometimes failed ERC decision making is very difficult. Okay, software does the calculation spot properly, so it will tell whether it is a drop or rally. But as a human, sometimes we are in a dilemma. If a body some more is there, definitely confidently I would have told you this is a rally. But now I have a dilemma, but still considered rally. So within this 75, we have 15, within 15 we have a 5 minutes, all these are all order flows. But actually I didn't draw this 75. Even 75 is also origin. That means the fine-tuned 5 minutes is much stronger. See, if it is a fine-tuned zone in 15 minutes or fine-tuned zone in 75 minutes, there is a difference, right? See, observe my wording carefully. Fine-tuned 5-minute zone in 75 minutes, or I am saying fine-tuned 5-minute zone in 15 minutes. When I say fine-tuned 5-minute zone in 15 minutes, that means it is not a fine-tuned zone in 75. If I say, if it is a fine-tuned zone in 75 means, it is also fine-tuned in 15 minutes. So multiple time frames it is fine-tuned, much stronger. Only immediate time frame, next time frame, it is fine tuned. Still it is stronger, but compared to the earlier example, power is a little less. That way you have to see. Now this is a fine tuned in 15 minutes and also fine tuned in 75 minutes. And the 75 minutes is the origin for this entire daily zone. Okay, now we have two order flows. So one is at the distal line, 75 minute zone, and another one is inside the zone, drop base rally. Now this one is fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. So you have a rally, base, rally. This is the 15 minute zone. And also here you see drop, base, rally. This is the 15 minute zone as an origin to this 75 minute zone. This drop, base, rally. So we have a lower time frame origin for this 75 minute zone, and also we have a fine tuned zone. Now let us again, and also here also you have rally 1, 2, 3 base candles, medium size candles, 2 candles, part of the base, and then rally candle. This is the 15 minute zone. And these zones are again fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. Look into the 5 minutes. Here you have rally 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and rally. That way you can draw, or drop 2 base candles, rally. If you hide, you will get clarity. See, drop 2 base candles. I consider imbalance is started from this candle. Imbalance. So this is the fine tuned 5 minute zone. But what is that I have drawn? Actually, by seeing this candle, I got a doubt. Maybe here, this might be having, again, 5 minute zone might be having, again, another origin. Yesterday you have seen, do you remember? Yesterday we got a trade in one of the stocks. If I look into the comments. Yeah, 1 minute and 5 minute LTF. Yesterday when we discussed DMAT is a good example, right? Exactly what you have seen in DMAT. Same analysis I did even in this stock, Sriram Cement also. I have 5 minute zone. I got a doubt by seeing this candle weak candle. Maybe some 5 minutes origin might be there. I sensed that is at 1 minute level. I went to 1 minute. Now surprisingly, see here 1 minute we have excellent origin is there. We have a drop, base, rally. This 1 minute zone is again origin to this 5 minute zone. So that's why you need to combine both these zones together to plan your trade. This is your entry. This is your distal line. You add some stop buffer, and below you will keep stop buffer and you will add. If the whole thing is within 2% risk, you will plan the trade. Otherwise, you will fine tune your entry until you get. See, definitely this is a less than 2% only, because these are the small zones. They are not big zones. So that's why you need to combine both. This is how you should think sometimes. See, you should not leave. Sometimes if you have any doubt, maybe this 5 minutes is having an origin. Nothing wrong. Go to 1 minute time frame. See, if origin is there, combine both the zones together. Anyway, 1 minute zones add you a very small extra risk only for your trade. And same is the case I have seen below also. Below, first let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, here you have again another 1 minute zone here. Another 5 minute zone. Failed ERC candle, drop, base, rally, follow through candles. So this is again a fine tuned zone. This is the origin, right? 15 minutes origin. So within this 15 minutes, again we have drop, base, rally, new order flow is created. And this one is having again origin, because by seeing these wicks, generally by seeing the wicks, within the wicks only they keep origins. And before this drop, base, rally is created, prices went a little below and picked up the orders. So from where? What is the source? That way I thought. Then again I went to 1 minute. In the 1 minute you observe. Something, no, not 1 minute, maybe 3 minutes. I went to the 3 minutes. Here. See, drop 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and rally, follow through candles. This is the 3 minute zone. Not that one, this one. Sorry. Drop base, rally, follow through. This is the one. This 3 minute zone and 5 minute zone here, both combined here. So this is the way I have drawn. Let me confirm once again. No. 1 minute only. Sorry, I confused actually. This is 1 minute only. See, this is 1 minute time frame. Actually, previously I analyzed a wrong one. Rally, base, rally. Rally, base, rally. This is the 1 minute horizon. See, from here it picked up the orders, moved up, and again now this 5 minute zone is created within this area. Now again new order flows will be added. So that's why this entire area we should combine. This is 1 minute rally base. The same thing what we did here. Here also see drop base rally 1 minute zone before 5 minutes. Same tactic I applied even here, rally base rally. Sorry, I looked into this one and I got confused. That is what I'm wondering how my analysis all of a sudden changed. I was thinking. Okay, rally base rally. This is the 1 minute zone. This is the origin for this 5 minute zone. And this 5 minute zone is a fine-tuned 5 minute zone. So combine this 5 minutes and 1 minute, keep your entry here and stop loss a little below with stop buffer. That's it. And next here you have another 5 minute zone. So we have completed 2 zones, right? This is the first one, 5 minutes and 1 minute. This is the second one. This is the 5 minutes and this is the 1 minute. And this is the third one. This is because here imbalance is there. Actually this also should be part of the base, but risk management point of view, why I have drawn, actually this is a rally, 4 base candles rally. But why I fine tuned, this here imbalance is there. From this imbalance, this balance, the price, this is the area balanced, price moved in a balanced, and from here imbalance started. So that's why I gave least preference to this candle. But actually you have to draw zone like this. But why I have drawn? Risk management point of view. And there is a logical argument is also there. What is that? Prices moved in a balanced way here and then price moved imbalance. Probably this is the area institutional order flow will be there. See how I am thinking and how I am trying to minimize the risk. See, simply I am not drawing the zone. So there is a logic behind drawing the zone. That kind of logic you have to build. You need to add to your experience. I don't know how many of you are really listening this video, because I know many of you are skipping the video, just you are watching maybe some 45 minutes video in just 10 minutes. If you watch, what is the use? It's a waste of your time. You have to gain experience. Why I am explaining all these videos? So that you people share my experience. Instead of 2 years, you get 2 years experience by listening the video. Within 1 year, you may get 2 years equivalent experience. You have originally 1 year only, but you think like a 2-year person having experience. Because every time I am sharing my ideas. When I am sharing my ideas, what will happen? Your knowledge will be uplifted. That is what I am trying to do. I am trying to make you think better. Okay, this is a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. Now this is the origin for this entire 75-minute zone. See 75-minute zone, see the low of this candle and the low of this candle, both are same. See what is the low? Low of this candle is this candle. Low of this candle is 618.30. And what about low of this candle? This is also 618.30. But we are believing maybe new order flow will be added, or if you feel risk you don't want to take, just ignore this particular zone. If institutions add a new order flow, because this is the origin. This is a fine-tuned 5-minute zone and this is the actual origin. From here it picked up the order and entire 75-minute zone is created. But if you have some doubts, but ignore it. And the next one is, this is the one, the actual 5 minutes. This is the origin for entire daily zone. Entire daily zone. Here you see, actually here 5-minute zone structure is not very clear. I'm not happy with this. That's why what I did, maybe I know something will be here. I went to 1 minute, then surprisingly, the 1 minute origin I identified. Actually, that is not 5-minute origin. 5-minute structure is not good there. That is what you have seen, right? But 1 minute, you have an excellent, a beautiful zone. See here, drop, 3 base candles and a rally, 1 minute zone. And this is the origin actually made the magic. What kind of magic? See, already once it is created a zone here. See, drop, base, rally. It is a LOTL zone, right? That means new order flows, again institutions added into this zone. And the next time, during our daily zone creation. See, this is the daily zone creation. And daily zone actually picked up the orders from this 1 minute zone. See here, from here it moved. Let me move now. No, not it, not here. Here somewhat came close. Not really entered here. A little before that. This 1 minute zone is there. Let me go to daily time frame. Now you will see daily candle. The daily open is from this zone. See, daily open won't be reflected in intraday candles. Intraday 9:15 open might be different. Daily open is the pre-market. The pre-market open is started from this zone. See here, from this 1 minute zone it started. That's why this open is not reflected in intraday candles. Intraday 9:15 price. Daily means before 9:15 you have a pre-market. That open is considered in the daily candles. That's why sometimes you see the difference between daily open and intraday candles open price. Trading view is not yet included, integrating the intraday, pre-market open to intraday candles. Okay, anyway, this is the 1 minute zone is the actual origin. But anyway, today prices did not enter into this zone. But this stock analysis is a very good, a lot of observations to learn. Next one is Exide Industries. This is a daily high liquidity supply zone. Daily high liquidity, how it identified our software as a drop candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles base and drop. And this one is fine-tuned with 75 minutes time frame. Here we have a 75 minute zone, drop, 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and a drop candle. That is the way I have drawn this 75 minute zone. And this 75 minute zone is fine-tuned with 15 minutes time frame. Here you have a 15 minute zone, drop. Actually, this also I considered as just like compromising and drawing the zone. It is like a failed ERC I considered as a rally dynamic view, 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and a drop candle and follow through candle. So this is the area 15-minute zone. But this 15-minute zone overlapped with this 75. Still, I did not consider this is the origin. The reason is this entire price action should happen before the zone, not exactly some part outside, some part inside. So this is, you can consider as it is overlapped, fine-tuned zone at the distal line. And also one more 15-minute zone also identified here, drop base drop. We have two fine-tuned 15 minutes inside 75 minutes. One is at the overlapped at the distal line and another one is overlapped at the proximal line. See here, they are not exactly in the middle. This is at the proximal overlap, this is at the distal line overlap, because a portion went outside the distal line. Okay, now go to the 5 minutes time frame. In the 5 minutes time frame, we have multiple order flows. One is this drop base drop, rally base drop, and this base candle wick is highest. In rally base drop, the highest wick of leg-in also you should consider, but base candle wick is higher than leg-in. This one. And next again drop base drop. This leg-in is this leg out is actually now leg-in, and base again drop base drop. So these are the two fine-tuned 5-minute zones are there within that 15 minutes. Now we have one more 15 minutes. Here within this 15 minutes, you have drop base drop, but I have some concern about this leg out. But anyway, it is tested in the next candle. So maybe better not to focus on this unless it is a high liquidity zone. But I don't think my software also will identify this. I'm not sure, because the candle is looking like a medium-sized candle for me. But anyway, I have drawn this because it picked up the orders from this area. So I want to see what is really happening. See, sometimes I draw some zones not for trade point of view, but I will draw for observations point of view, because I get some ideas in my mind. I want to study based on that further, because studying the market is the best experience that will provide answers to our questions. But anyway, today price did not enter into the area. Next one is PEL. PEL is also a daily high liquidity supply zone, and it is moving between high liquidity demand zone and supply zone. PEL already I explained to you. Here we have a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. Today price came very close, but we didn't get the trade opportunity. See, somewhat close. Even if you add some entry buffer also, you will be missing with some few, maybe 1 rupee or less, because it is already a 1,000 rupee stock. Even if you add entry buffer also, you will miss the trade. This is the one already we drawn this zone. We've been observing for a long period. Previously also came close. Maybe here somewhere before the zone, the supply is very strong. Today also narrowly we missed the trade. Otherwise we would have got some profit here. But anyway, we missed the trade. And next, this how I fine-tuned, I explained in the previous videos. Please refer the old videos. At present, this is moving between high liquidity demand zone and high liquidity supply zone. Sometimes you may get either side trade opportunities, but today it would have given you a trade opportunity in this zone. In the demand zone, I don't know. Closely if you would have observed, maybe even I also confirmed a high liquidity zone in this area. 1 minute high liquidity. See, 5 minutes is not clear. You don't have proper structure, zone structures here. See, multiple times this is the area prices are getting entered, right? See, even today also it prices. See, how to identify when multiple times prices are, just draw a horizontal line somewhere here. Just draw. In this area, is there any 5-minute zone? Just check. Rally candle, not in a position to take a decision because this may not be a base candle. For us, it is looking like medium size drop candle. See here, this is a medium size. Again rally. Definitely structure is not clear. Maybe lower time. I went to 3 minutes also. That area, I looked into the 3 minutes. Actually not for 1 minute, sorry. 3 minutes you have a drop base drop. This is the one. Not 1 minute, 3 minutes. Actually the structure is not there because the 3 minutes could be a supplement to 5 minutes zone. So 3 minutes level I have seen a drop base rally. And this is the area, see here almost came near to the zone. It is like a testing we can consider with small entry buffer. See the move, very good move it has given. Maybe this is our first test. This is the second test. Previously prices moved and sharply moved up. And today again third test. 954 candle it came and then moved. If anybody might have realized, maybe it could be a high liquidity zone before itself, and if you would have drawn this zone and planned an aggressive high liquidity zone trade setup, you would have got a good profit today. But I realized it today after the market. But I want to show you this in the classroom. That's why I just kept this. Because the reason why I didn't draw, I want to draw the zone in the class so that in this live video recording session, so that you understand the importance of this concept. This is how sometimes you can find aggressive trade. This is a 3-minute zone. Having multi-testing, already tested once, tested second time, and today see how sharply it moved the moment it reached 954 1 minute candle. Maybe today it could be a strong confirmation. This could be a high liquidity. Next time it may work or it may violate. We don't know because we never know when a high liquidity zone is getting expiry period. But who knows? Next time also it may give you a good trade. See, today it tested here and almost prices went up to this fine-tuned area. If anybody would have realized this zone could be a high liquidity by seeing this second test, today you might have got, but not easy. It's not so easy to identify such kind of zones. Okay. So otherwise this could have been a good trade for you. And next Union Bank, we discussed Deepak Nitrate, and the last one is Reliance. Reliance is a 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone. Have you noticed I didn't draw anything in the Reliance? That means structures are not good inside Reliance. However, software identified drop base drop. But when you fine tune, go to 15 minutes time frame, 15 minute structures, I am not happy with these structures. You have a rally, base, base, base. This leg out is not great. But within this area, if you draw a zone, maybe you will find a 5-minute zone. But somehow I am not convinced with this. 5-minute zone is there inside. I saw one 5-minute zone here. See, looks like fine-tuned 5-minute zone. But somehow the 15-minute structure didn't convince me much. And these candle movements also, see, from here that it's not like in a narrow range, like they are like step by step. Staircase will be there, no? Steps in the opposite direction, you see, step. That's why, and moreover, this candle, if this could have been a great leg out, I would have considered. Somehow you may say, okay, we can compromise and draw the zone. I would have compromised if this is a narrow range, if these candles are in narrow range. The only reason why I didn't compromise with this leg out is prices are not in a narrow range. See how I am observing. Maybe this could be a good fine-tuned area, we never know. But my observations point of view, taking with confidence, I am not in a position to take. But anyway, I'll keep this analysis. Let me see whether it will, not for trade point of view, because I have doubts about 15 minutes. But otherwise, Reliance I didn't plan. That's why I left it. So these are the high liquidity zones. Hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.